Guys, in this video I will show you using Bath Editor in the Tekla Texture 2021. This feature is a new feature to help you automatically modeling rebar and on the steel assembly in the Tekla Texture. For example, I have one catalyst modeling on rebar. Now I want to copy on rebar from the read catalyst to same the target catalyst with the same the position, and I have one catalyst with the different the position. How I can using a Bath Editor to copy on rebar for them. The first I click to Bath Editor. In the Bath Editor, I can see the sword assembly and target assembly. The first I select one sword assembly with the on. I click to select. In the Bath Editor, will automatic find the own target assembly with the same position with the sword assembly. Is the PF1, and I have one category with a different position. I click to inquire. Category position is the F0, not same with the sword assembly. I will click to add in the custom target assembly and click to this assembly, and you can see in the target assembly I have a F0 catalyst. Now I click to copy on rebar from the sword assembly to target assembly. You can see in the few seconds on rebar now placed into target assembly. Very easy and automatically for rebar modeling in Tekla Texture 2021 with Bath Editor. Thank you for watching.